anatomy. Incisors, incisors. Fang, fang. Premolars, premolars. Molars, molars. So those were our top teeth. Now we are going to look at our bottom teeth. Third molar, third molar. Second molar, second molar. First molar, first molar. Second premolar, second premolar. First premolar, first premolar. Fang, fang. Side cutter, side cutter. Central incisor, central incisor. Alright, so those were the names of our teeth. Now we are going to look at the structure of tooth. Crown, crown. Root, root. Enamel, enamel. Dentin, dentin. Pulp, pulp. Gum, gum. Root canal, root canal. Root end opening, root end opening. Blood vessels, blood vessels. Bone, bone. Alright guys, so that was it for tooth anatomy. There are similar videos linked in the description box. Do check it. Also, you can support me by buying me a coffee. Link is in the description box along with the PDF version of this presentation. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.